Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Is this one yours? Wow, that's clean, man. No distortion. Solid job, man.
Make the car cut on. But watch this.
Whew. A little bit?
Yeah, let it cool off a little bit.
Could you tell me all was in here real quick?
Huh?
For a video.
Oh, no problem, brother. Shit, I got everything Audio Legion in here, man. I got 412s. They call it the SA30s.
Okay.
And I got a Sundown, old school Sundown SAZ 3500. I got 8K on my highs and mids. I got one Stetson 5K and a Stetson 2K on my 8s and my 12s in the back as far as mid-range woofers. And I got a damn 1000 amp DB drive on my highs.
That's what's making it so clean.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Well,
nice.
besides the DSP, now the DSP is the master of
that
everything.
helps.
Yeah,
Yes,
that helps a lot, bro.
Okay. Have you metered this yet?
Yeah, I do a 150, man, at 40 hertz.
Really?
Yeah.
No wall. Oh,
Yeah,
awesome. That's
no
good.
wall.
Right
Yeah.
at 40. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
And you built all of this?
No, actually, man, we got a little shop down the road called Absolute Audio, bro.
Absolute Audio?
Yeah,
Okay.
right there in Gaston, South Carolina. But
Yes, sir.
I'm working there with a guy named Mitch, man, and he does beautiful work, bro.
It does? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
Hey, no problem, brother.
Nice work.
Hey, thank you.
Awesome.
what you asked for, you only get what you paid for. I paid less but made more. I know my feet today was sore. She hit me trap, he said Keo. That girl came in with more. Like that gang.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.